Employee or contractor? Now, this is one of the most important decisions and expensive mistakes that a business can make, especially with the ATO and Fair Work Australia cracking down on sham contracting. This is a must-watch video for you. The difference between an employee and a contractor, and we run through the 6 key steps from the ATO's website. So let's break this down. It is important that you understand a business is responsible for making this decision, and there are severe penalties if this decision is wrong, and it relates to tax and superannuation. So to check if your worker is an employee or independent contractor, you must review the whole working arrangement. If you're engaging a worker who you believe is an independent contractor, you can still choose to actually pay them superannuation, especially if you're unsure. Now, any superannuation paid to an independent contractor can't just be paid directly to them. It must be paid to their complying fund and will need to comply with Payday Super when this comes up in July 1. A few key points. Companies, trusts and partnerships are always contractors, but some workers are always employees, and they are apprentices, trainees, labourers and trade assistants. So you must be clear on this. These are always employees. The key focus, the key thing, overriding information that you need to grasp is the critical difference between an employee and an independent contractor is an employee serves in your business and they perform the work as a representative of your business. Now, an independent contractor provides services to your business and performs work to further their business. That is the whole governing principle of an employee versus a contractor. The ATO has a list of the following 6 items that you will need to review. 1, the ability to delegate or subcontract. 2, the basis of payment. Number 3, whether the business is responsible for providing equipment, tools and other assets. 4, commercial risks, who bears them. 5, control over the work. And 6, integration with the business. Common myths that I want to run through with you. One common myth is that you must have an ABN to work. Doesn't mean you're not an employee. Short-term work also doesn't mean you're not an employee. A worker choosing to be a contractor doesn't mean that they're automatically a contractor. Everyone in the industry having an ABN is also not a reason that you're a contractor or having a contract. I cannot stress this enough. You must review these 6 steps on the ATO website. Businesses must take control of this and reach out to an accountant to run through all of this with you. If you haven't already done so, hit the follow button for more.